the character of the pandemic is such that no one is safe until everyone is safe. Unless everybody is vaccinated, it is impossible to fight the pandemic. Because as of now, the vaccination seems to be the only powerful weapon to stem the spread of the coronavirus, novel coronavirus or COVID 19. So, therefore, the time has come to look at the global vaccination strategy. Well, it's a great scientific achievement that several vaccines have been invented. The WHO itself has given emergency authorization to as many as 8 vaccines. There are other vaccines like Sputnik, Covaxin, which are being used in several countries but still awaits WHO emergency authorization use permissions. So therefore, when the world has more than 10 vaccines available and many more vaccines are also in the pipeline. But unfortunately, the global economics, the global political economy makes it difficult for many countries to access even a single dose of vaccine. You'll be surprised to know that Africa is at the lowest in the vaccination, where United States and Europe are at the highest. Well, this stark inequality across continents is obvious, but what is not so obvious and what is surprising is that there are several countries in Africa which have not administered even a single dose of vaccine till now. Imagine their plight, not even for doctors, not even for healthcare workers. So this is the plight of several countries. In this video, I will tell you the extent of inequalities based on the data compiled by the University of Oxford till May 28. So till May 28, world over, 1.81 billion doses of vaccines have been given so far. So 181 crore vaccines have been given across the world by now. Well, this may sound a big figure, certainly not big given the kind of challenge which we are facing. But okay, reasonably fine, we have 181 crore vaccine doses administered so far. But this is only an absolute number. If we look at the disaggregated figure, I'll give you several ways of looking at the data from a disaggregated angle. Aggregate numbers do not always speak truth. I'll tell you the first thing. So the first comparison is the richer nations, the higher income countries or upper bracket in terms of income, they account for 83% of these 181 crore vaccines. The poorer nations account for only 0.3%. Look at the rich-poor divide in terms of access to vaccination. This is one comparison. Second comparison. If you look at the vaccines given per 100 people, because all countries do not have similar levels of population. So let me give you the comparative figures. How many vaccine doses are given for 100 people? United Arab Emirates stands at the top with 128 doses per 100 people. Fairly high. China is at 42 doses per 100 people. India has given only 15 doses per 100 people. The global average is 24. India is below the global average as far as the number of vaccine doses given per 100 people. Look at the country, the impoverished nation, Papua New Guinea. This country has only given 0.03 vaccines per 100 people. So this accounts for just 3 doses for 10,000 people. There are 128 for 100 and 3 for 10,000. Look at the stark inequalities between nations in the world in terms of access to vaccination. All human beings have to be protected, and this is essential to protect the world from the pandemic. But we are unable to achieve even a reasonable equity in access to vaccination. I'll tell you the third comparison. This comparison in terms of the percentage of the population vaccinated with 2 doses, because the latest studies also reveal, especially in the wake of the Delta variant, that single dose of vaccines provide only very less protection. Even Pfizer vaccine also provides for only 32% protection, and Covishield provides, single dose provides only 33% protection. Therefore, to have a reasonable protection, we need to give 2 doses. So, how much of the population got the 2 vaccine doses till now? I'll give you the country-wise data. Israel, 57% stands at the top, and UK with 44%, United States 40%, Singapore 28% of the population were given 2 doses of vaccine, Germany 16%, Russia 8%, India is around 3 to 3.5% only. Then I will give you the fourth comparison. Absolute number of doses given. Forget about these percentages and ratio between population and vaccine doses. Absolute number of doses administered so far. Out of the 181 crore vaccines given so far, 58 crore were given only in China. Well, 2 of the Chinese vaccine, Sinopharm and Sinovac, got the World Health Organization WHO emergency use authorization so far among the 8 vaccines which have been cleared. So China has given 58 crore vaccines so far. United States 29 crore. This is the data updated till May 28. And India has given till now around 23-24 crore vaccines. So if I look at India in comparison with other countries, in terms of the absolute number of vaccine doses administered, India is at the top 3 next to China and USA. But in terms of the population covered with 2 doses, we are far behind all these countries. Look at Israel 57, UK 44, USA 40, so Singapore 28. India is hardly at 3 to 4% only. So in terms of the number of doses given per 100 people also, we are below the global average. Global average is 24. India has only 15. United Arab Emirates is 128. China 42. So therefore, this is the time for the world to introspect. Unless we bridge these vaccine inequalities, it is impossible to put an effective fight against the pandemic.